Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with a training video for our free to join and earn passive drip and social blast club members, where our members earn extra money by watching this video. So before I get started, what I like to do is put a disclaimer in all my videos. What you're watching, what I'm teaching you today, what I'm showing you today could be outdated in the next 24 to 48 hours, just the nature of the business. Also, if you're brand new, what I need you to do is I need you to subscribe to this channel, this YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video, especially for those who happen to be Crypto Team Build VIP members, because your referral links for all of our marketing programs, all of our affiliate programs are going to be in the description of this video. So the more you can share this video and get it out there, the better it is for you. So as I go through the training, in the description of this video is going to be all of these links, all of this content, all of this training. So just scroll down into the description. You can pause the video, get down into the description of this video, and you're going to see all the instructions on what you need to do to make this marketing work for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to log into your passive drip by clicking on this co-op rotator link here. Number two, if you've not joined, go here by using this co-op rotator link to then receive free tokens when you join. Yes, you're going to receive some free tokens. All you need to do is just follow the instructions on how to activate those free tokens when you get back into your dashboard and set up your account. Now make sure you do watch this video here to learn how our co-op advertising pays for itself. Number three, on your passive drip dashboard at the top, click on the tab Referrals. So let me show you in my account what that looks like. So right up here it says Referrals, and click on Referrals again, the drop-down menu, and it will take you over to invite your friends to get more coins. And this is what I'm after, the ID number. That's what I want, the ID number. And of course, when you start doing the marketing, as I'm going to show you in just a minute, you need to also copy your referral link. Now you're going to want to go here using this co-op rotator link and join Social Blast Club. And of course, if you've joined already, you don't have to join again. So let's go over there. It's going to take you here for sign up. And if you're already a member, you just log in. Number 7, now copy the script below, making sure your passive drip referral link is placed in the script as instructed, and make a post in Social Blast Club. So let's do that. I'm going to copy this. Okay, so what I've done is I've placed the co-op rotator link in this post here. Of course, you want to place your link here. And that's all you need to do. Then right down here, keywords are very important. You want to make sure that your name here and no spaces as a keyword in your post. And to find these keywords, here's what you do. Of course, scroll down in the description of this video, and I have those keywords all laid out for you right here that you can just copy and paste. Make sure that you put your name in here, though. I would upload an image, and I'm going to show you how to do that later. But now what you need to do is just share. Click on share. There's my post. And as you can see, the link is right up the top. That's where you want the link at, as close to the top as possible. And when you click on it, the rotator link, let's see who comes up in the rotator. Okay, this is Richard. Of course, you can't see that, but this is Richard T. came up. And if we click read more here, here's my keywords. And of course, go here for the to get into the Crypto Team Build Telegram group. Opens up there, and when somebody clicks on it, they find their way over here. So I should suggest when you get the notification that somebody has joined underneath you, either in Social Blast or Passive Drip, you greet them when they land in here, okay? So working our way down, note you can use this script to do marketing on your own, such as in a Facebook group or an email campaign or maybe a solo ads. The script works for just about anything, especially for email marketing and posting in Facebook groups. Note, work smarter, not harder, and use the script above to build your downline. In this case here, Passive Drip happens to be one level deep. To then receive passive commissions, creating a passive income for life. So, you know, along with actually getting in there in Passive Drip and earning money, doing all those tasks in there, make sure you go out there and keep marketing. Of course, I'm going to do some marketing for you. You keep marketing. Just use this script here. What's great about this is when somebody signs up underneath you and they follow the instructions here and they get into the Telegram group, and they post this, please do free marketing, PD, for my Passive Drip. Here's my ID number. It's got to be the ID number, though. It can't be the link, the ID number. And they post it in the group. Well, when I do marketing for your member, well, I'm actually doing marketing for you because it pays out one level deep. Of course, you want to make sure you don't put any URLs, referral links in the Telegram group. It's going to automatically ban you. Note, for me to find you, this hashtag must be in that post up here. Don't remove this hashtag here, okay? I'll be waiting for you inside. Number 8, once you have made the above post in Social Blast Club and shared to your Twitter, let me show you how to do that, Pinterest, etc., go to the Telegram group here, which we've been there already, and copy and post the following script. Well, let me show you how to share in Social Blast Club. Here's the post. You want to come down here and click the share button. Share to Twitter, share to Facebook. If you have a Pinterest account, share to Pinterest. And LinkedIn is really powerful because the SEO value on LinkedIn, especially when you use those hashtag keywords, make sure you share it to LinkedIn, okay? Now there again, if you don't belong to all of these, try to join, but you know, just make sure you do share it to Twitter and Facebook. And later on, you can get into Pinterest and LinkedIn. But LinkedIn is very powerful when you share, and just share. Making sure that those keywords, those hashtag keywords, are along when you share it with that post. Sometimes you have to copy those keywords again, and you use those keywords, especially on Facebook, when you share it. So once you do that, copy this and put your Social Blast Club username here and post this message in the Telegram group. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your username, I'm going to go over to Social Blast Club and just bring up your name to see if you have shared it and if you made that post, right? At that time, I'm going to place money in your Passive Drip account. Again, do not post any URLs, referral links in the Telegram group because the bot will ban you. Note, for me to find you, this hashtag, this is a different hashtag now, must be in your post. Right up here. Number 9, once you've made that post, I will then verify it, like I said, and pay the coins, then do marketing for you on one of my Facebook groups, Twitter, and another one of my social networking sites. Note, Crypto Team Build VIP members are paid double the coins. To learn how to be paid double the coins by becoming a VIP member, click on this the Crypto Team Build Co-op rotator link. Here we go again. Make sure you get into the co-op right there. Note, only one passive drip post for the Social Blast Club where you can get paid coins or dollar in your passive drip. What you need to do is stay active in the Telegram group and watch for more videos where you can get paid money for our other social networking sites. Okay, I'm going to wrap this training up. Hey, gang, nobody else does what Marty and I do for you. Nobody else does marketing for you. Nobody else does this for you. Nobody else gives you keywords, hashtag keywords, and teaches you how to use those keywords so that you're shown on SEO, on Google, so that you're shown on Bing. Nobody does this for you. So take advantage of it. Use it to your advantage. Especially go out on your own and use this script yourself. It's very simple, very easy. Emails, solo ads, Facebook posts, real easy to use. Okay, with that said, this is Harvey the Soul Fox. You know what to do. I'll be waiting for you in the Crypto Team Build Telegram group, ready to help build your business.